Parallel parking behind a vehicle already parked on the right side of the roadway. Signal right, slow down, check the mirrors and the right blind spot. Pull up about 2 feet out from the side of the parked vehicle. Stop when your rear bumper is even with the rear bumper of the parked vehicle. Select reverse, then turn the steering wheel to the right. The number 12 on the steering wheel should be at the number 9 position. Then hold at the 12 and 6 position. Check all around your vehicle, then back up until the right end of the front bumper is in line with the back bumper of the parked vehicle. Then stop. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Then hold it in that position. Turn your head to the right, look out the rear window. Constantly check the back and front section of your vehicle while backing into the parking space. Stop when the front and rear of your vehicle is close and parallel to the right side of the roadway. Select drive. Turn the steering wheel to the right until it resembles the face of a clock. Then continue to turn 1 full revolution to the right to straighten out the front tires. Leave enough space in front of your vehicle for you to exit later. Then stop. Apply the parking brake, then place the gear selected to park. That's it. Now you're leaving from the parking space. With your right foot pressed down on the brake pedal, now release the parking brake. Select reverse. Check all around, then turn your head to the right. Look out the back window of your vehicle. Back up in a straight line to give yourself more space in front of the vehicle for you to leave. Then stop. Select drive, then turn the steering wheel 1 revolution to the left. Signal left, check mirrors and the left blind spot repeatedly. Leave the parking space when it is safe to do so.